Hello everybody, myself Professor S.D. Patil from Bhimrao Savarkar College of Engineering and Research, Nare, Pune. Today we have to see one practical. In that practical we have to see a ICMP protocol. ICMP is a Internet Control Message Protocol and how it works. So for that practical we require a packet tracer software. So here you can see the packet tracer software. Now in this practical, here you can see there are 4 PCs available: PC0, PC1, PC2 and the PC3, and there are 2 routers available, router 0 and router 1, 2 switches, switch 0 and switch 1. In this practical we have to see 2 modes. One is real time mode and the simulation mode. In a real time mode, which is actually run on the PC, here you can see physical appearance and the logical appearance of the components. Okay, and in a simulation mode we can actually send the messages, okay, from one computer to another computer, and actually we will see the time, then last device, and the actually all the details of the message transfer. So for that purpose we will see, or we will take one message and we will send it from PC3 to PC1. So here you can see the different protocols available, which is ARP, automatic request repeat protocol, then ICMP, then DNS, OSPF, so DSCF, dynamic host control protocol, RIP, router information protocol. But today we have to see the ICMP protocol. That's why we will click on the ICMP protocol, and all other protocols are the disabled. Okay, so we will do one thing. We have to take the simple message and we will send it from PC3 to PC1. Just click on this button, which is to be a simulation button. So see here, message transmitted from PC3 to switch 1, from switch 1 to router 1, from router 1 to router 0, there is some problem. We will send this message once again. So for this time we will send the message from PC1 to PC3. Let's start with the simulation. Okay, message transmitted from PC1 to switch 0, from switch 0 to router 0, from router 0 to router 1, and from router 1 to switch 1, and from switch 1 to PC3. Because see, we have chosen the way from PC1 to PC3, that's why message is not sent to PC3. Again see, here you can see the acknowledgement from PC3 to PC1. So way is switch 1, router 1, router 0, switch 0 and PC1. Okay, and here you can see the event list with a time. That means how that packets take a route from one computer to another computer. And here you can see the successfully acknowledgement sent by PC3 to PC1. And here again you can see the status of simulation, which is to be a successful. Message sent from PC1 to PC3 successfully. This is a ICMP protocol, which is a internet control message protocol. Thank you all.